fishy feeding frenzy. Y'all love the tank nibblers. That's Mimi. Zombie and Spazzy. Zombie's in the red cap. That's Pumpkin. New tank, so tank water's a little cloudy. Waiting for the filter to finish filtering everything out. Ooh, yum 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 yum. I have a Pleco in there somewhere. Don't know where he went. His name is Sucker, but he's in there somewhere. Just don't know where. He likes to hide a lot. Take over the tank nibbler. Watch this. It's so funny. Mine. Poor Spazzy eating the bottom one. Ready? Here comes the big girl. Okay. Say bye, fishies. No, that's not. Okay.